Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
European stocks opened higher while U.S. futures also traded in the black in a tentative rebound from last week when the spread of the COVID-19 Omicron variant hit markets. Bitcoin dropped by almost 5% as the start of the week offered little respite to the world's largest cryptocurrency after a bruising weekend when it lost over a fifth of its value. Alibaba Group Holding Limited is replacing its long-standing chief financial officer, the most notable leadership change since the Chinese e-commerce firm survived a bruising antitrust investigation.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's leading economic index will be released at 0500 GMT, Australia's RBA rate statement at 0330 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 01 minute GMT. The US unit labor costs will be released at 1330 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1355 GMT. The Eurozone's gross domestic product at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.